Hello everyone, my name is Julio, Director of Application for our router division. And in today's video, we'd like to go over cutting some very thick aluminum. And in this case, we'd like to cut some 5/8 thick aluminum. And for that, we'll be using a strategy called waveform machining. And the advantage of waveform machining is that your tool is never fully engaged. So as you're cutting, you're only taking a little bit of chips at a time. So the material is never around the tool at the same time every time. The other advantage that you get is longer tool life. Because you're only taking a little bit of chips at a time, you're also able to take advantage of your feed rate because you can go quite faster because you're never fully engaged again. This allows also for you to be a little bit more aggressive with your chip load. So as opposed to a 3 thou or 5 thou chip load, you can go all the way up to possibly 10 to 12 thou chip load, which is quite aggressive for cutting aluminum. The other thing that you get also is a better finish because normally in the conventional way, you may have to come back with a finish pass, where in this case, because you're only taking a little bit at a time, you can actually, by the time you're done, you have a much better finish around your part.